Menudo kayo dyan.
Cute.
Hi friends, it's me and my hubby for today's cooking set. Ingredients in the comment section.